games na to officially eliminated you. Pero definitely, nag-usap tayo naman ngayon, lots of good things to pick up on. Ano ba lang yung system mo? Tapos na yung campaign nyo this conference.
Siguro po medyo malungkot na wala namin chance makapag-playoffs. But siguro yun nga, you just have to see the bright things in this situation. And yeah, we're coming one more game. And hopefully we can finish the conference strong kahit po na yun nga, out sa playoffs.
Gio, before the conference the season started, mentioned mo nga na one matchup na you're looking forward to is yung Fajardo. Talk us through the experience of facing the multi-time MVP for the first time.
Yun, masaya. Siyempre, like, nakita niyo po na very dominant talaga siya. And yun, dito sa likod ko na yun lang rin yung mga tools yun eh. So, I can sa mga skills na pero like, kung sabihin na yun, nakita niyo sa mga pwede mo natutunan sa kanya. And he's a very nice guy.
Yeah, can you share kung ano yung mga medyo nakita mo na pero tayo?
I mean, siyempre siya mas post player po siya. So, if I can work on my post game, that would help me lalo pag next conference or the All Filipino na mas low cost may mga kabantay. So, yeah, I'll watch the clip and hopefully may makuha po.
Medyo mabigat yung gabi mo because not only Junmar, you were also tasked to guard Benny both right physically. And how's it like guarding Benny?
Actually, kahit yung coaches po namin, like before sa start ng game, sinabi namin na kaming bigs, medyo mabigat po yung task kasi meron din sila po yung Junmar, sila Benny both, kaya sila po yung MOBA. So, yun, siguro kami, like, we just had to prepare ourselves mentally and yun, lalo.
Diego, lang personally, how would you assess yung, I think this is your first conference with the PBA, so how would you assess yung nilaro mo this stretch?
Yeah, medyo shaky, pero ngayon medyo mas may confidence na po. And siguro na lang, yun, matuloy-tuloy ko lang po ito. And hopefully, magawa namin yung goal namin ng matulong sa carefree mo.
Any lessons from this conference na hopefully madali ninyo moving forward din?
Siguro po yung competitiveness po ng team namin. Kasi kita nyo naman po kahit kanina, yun na, parang yung buong conference, hindi naman po kami ganun ka-consistent with it. And kanina, nakita niyo po na when we had our backs against the wall na, like, kailangan po talaga namin mukpok and dun, lumabas po yun. So hopefully sa next conference, magdala po namin.